Here are 3 tips that nobody is telling you about with social media that I'm going to share with you today. Let's go. The first thing that nobody's telling you on social media is how to successfully cross-pollinate or cross-platform. I like to say cross-pollinate because I'm a biology person. Now, what you're going to do, and I'm going to be teaching you some tutorials in the upcoming days, you're going to go to your favorite platform. Mine happens to be TikTok because it's the easiest to work with and it has some amazing music and filters. You'll go to TikTok, you'll go to record your video. Once you've recorded a video, you're going to, on that little menu on the side, you'll go down to where it says save your video before you ever send it through and post it on TikTok. The second tip, once you've saved that video, you're going to go to your Google Drive or to a hard drive on your computer or your flash drive. Save that video there. Do not save it on your phone because it eats up a ton of memory. Save it. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to then cross-pollinate that video. Guess what? It doesn't have any watermarks that you have to get rid of. You're going to save it without the music, without the captions, just you and your raw footage. So that way when you cross-pollinate to another platform, you can then go into that platform and customize it according to the platform's algorithms and features. What this does is it does 3 things. It helps you keep your original content rather than if you get your account banned like I did. I lost all of my content in my content TikTok library when they banned me the first time. Don't do that. Learn from my mistakes. The second thing it'll do is you hang on to all of your stuff. You have full control of it. You don't have to depend on a platform to hold your content. And the third thing is that you get to cross-pollinate it now. You can go to all different platforms, share the same video all the way across. You can also fully edit your video in your favorite platform and cross-pollinate that way. I want you to save this video in your favorites, like it, share it, and I also want you to go to the link in my profile, email me, and I will send you a list of my favorite tools. Just tell me favorite tools and I'll be happy to send those to you.